I'm Sally Cole with Story Hour Academy, and this lesson gives you an introduction to syllables. The first thing that you need to know about syllables is that every English word is made up of one or more syllables. By definition, a syllable is a unit of pronunciation having one vowel sound. So, a word with one vowel sound like dog is a one-syllable word because the word only makes one vowel sound. In this case, a short O sound, ah, in dog. A word with two vowel sounds, like dragon, is a two-syllable word because it makes two vowel sounds. It makes the long A sound A in dre, and it makes an unstressed schwa vowel sound, in gun. A word with three vowel sounds, like basketball, is a three-syllable word because it makes three vowel sounds. It makes the short A sound a in bass, an unstressed schwa vowel sound I in kit, and the broad A sound ah in ball, bass, kit, ball. For spoken words, it's easy to tell how many syllables a word has because your jaw drops every time you make a vowel sound. So if your jaw drops once when you say a word, it's a one-syllable word. If your jaw drops twice when you say a word, it's a two-syllable word. If your jaw drops 3 times when you say a word, it's a three-syllable word, and so on. To test this, I want you to put your hand under your chin and say the word dog. How many times did your jaw drop? Just once, right? That's because dog is a one-syllable word. Now, put your hand under your chin and say the word dragon. How many times did your jaw drop? Twice, right? That's because dragon is a two-syllable word. Now, put your hand under your chin and say the word basketball. How many times did your jaw drop? 3 times, right? That's because basketball is a three-syllable word. Now that you know about syllables, keep in mind that they are an important building block of the English language. Sounds make up syllables, syllables make up words, and words make up sentences, which allow us all to communicate with one another. In the next 7 lessons here at Story Hour Academy, you can learn to read words more easily by recognizing 6 different types of syllables. The 6-syllable types in the English language are commonly referred to by the following names, which align to the acronym COLREV. C-O-L-E-R-E-V. You can remember the first part of the COLREV acronym, C-O-L-E, because it's my last name. You can remember the last part of the acronym, R-E-V, because it's short for review. So think of it this way. Sally Cole likes you to review the 6-syllable types according to the COLREV acronym. Here's a quick summary of what each part of the COLREV acronym stands for. C stands for closed syllable. O stands for open syllable. LE stands for consonant plus LE syllable. R stands for R-controlled syllable. E stands for vowel consonant E syllable, and V stands for vowel team syllable. Since there's 6 syllable types, we're going to spend the next 6 lessons covering 1 syllable type per lesson. Then we'll follow that up with a review lesson about all 6 syllable types. But before you start the next lesson, I want you to spend some time counting the number of syllables in spoken words. Try walking around your house and saying the names of different objects that you see. As you do this, hold your hand under your chin and count how many times your jaw drops. After you say each word, announce the number of syllables in the word by announcing the number of times your jaw dropped. Let's try a few. Your first word is table. Hold your hand under your chin and say table. How many times did your jaw drop? It should drop twice because table is a two-syllable word. Your second word is piano. Hold your hand under your chin and say piano. How many times did your jaw drop? It should drop 3 times because piano is a 3-syllable word. Now, your only assignment between now and the next lesson is to name objects and count the number of syllables in each named object. Then I'll see you again soon when you come back for our next lesson about closed syllables. See you then.